Let's begin with the basics. What exactly is deep tech in biology? Have you ever heard of tech that is so advanced that it sounds like science fiction? Deep tech is exactly that. Born from cutting-edge research in artificial intelligence, quantum computing, and biology. It is not just about apps or softwares, it's about solving real-world problems like disease, food security, and aging. And yes, it is reshaping the very core of how we understand and interact with life. So in short, what is deep tech? Deep tech is really advanced technology that can help biologists to identify real challenges and find out new, novel solutions against those challenges. Now imagine what happens when deep tech meets biology. When deep tech collides with biology, we unlock tools that can rewrite DNA, print organs, and connect brains with machines. This isn't future talk. It's happening right here, right now, in labs across the globe. From synthetic biology to microbiome manipulation, biology is no longer observational. It is programmable. Welcome to the age of living technology. So when deep tech meets with biology, there is huge amount of opportunity available for researchers to do a lot of amazing stuff, like they can work on DNA and understand the code, also rewrite the code, print organs, and also connect human brain with computers. And this is not science fiction. This is happening right here, right now. One of the most thrilling breakthrough is the precision gene editing. We have now encountered deeply thrilling scientific breakthrough, which is precision gene editing. CRISPR-Cas9 has turned gene editing from a dream into precise science. With CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing, we could cure inherited diseases or grow drought-resistant plants. Yes, CRISPR can do that. It works like molecular scissors, cutting, deleting, and rewriting DNA molecules. Deep tech makes genetic engineering fast, accurate, and almost magical. So you can understand the application of deep tech in genetic engineering is huge, and you can do amazing stuff. And after the evolution of CRISPR-Cas9 system, after the discovery of CRISPR-Cas9 system, there is amazing opportunity available for genetic engineers to incorporate deep tech in their technology. Think printing organs sounds impossible? Then think again. Imagine printing a human heart the way we print documents. With 3D printing and stem cells, we are building tissues and organs in the lab. This could end the organ donor crisis as well as animal testing too. It is not science fiction anymore. It is regenerative medicine powered by deep tech. So here, what deep tech is doing, deep tech is utilizing the knowledge of biology, utilizing stem cells, utilizing regenerative medicine, and then trying to create organs, trying to create tissue that can be used in the patients that are requiring those organs. So you can imagine the application, you can imagine the possibility of deep tech, especially in case of stem cell technology. What if you could control a machine with your thoughts? Think with your brain and machine response. No keyboards, no mouse. That is the power of brain-computer interfaces, a marvel of neurotechnology. From helping paralyzed patients move to enhancing memory, BCIs are blurring the line between mind and machines. This is not just treatment. This is evolution. So what I'm talking about here is you can connect human brain with machines. Now, human brain, without doing anything, without typing, without saying anything, directly can communicate with machines. And machines, they will respond to the input provided by the human brain. You can imagine the possibility of that interaction. You can imagine the quickness of that interaction. And it can also help understand various neurological complications, various diseases that are happening right now. And we are not even aware of those changes in our body. Even the microbes in your gut are getting an upgrade. Deep tech is even redesigning the bacteria in your gut. By editing the microbiome, scientists, they aim to treat obesity, depression, and even cancer. Your gut is the galaxy of microbes, and now you can program it like a code. Welcome to personalized health through microbiome engineering. So using deep tech, what we can do is we can precisely control what kind of microbial population should be there in our body. And depending upon that microbial composition, we can design therapeutic strategies to tackle various diseases like obesity, depression, and even cancer. So where is all this heading? Deep tech in biology is rewriting the rule book from healthcare to agriculture. It's bold, expensive, and little slow, but its impact is massive and global. This is not just innovation, it is transformation. And you are witnessing it unfold one breakthrough at a time. So as you can understand, the application of deep tech in biology is huge. There is a lot of opportunities available right now. So if you are interested in deep tech, you should definitely move into the area of deep tech, understand what deep tech is and how you can integrate deep tech with biology. So gear up, get the skill set, jump onto the deep tech, and then apply the knowledge of deep tech in biology. We need people who can actually do deep research by using deep tech in biology. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, then please do subscribe to the channel. I'll be bringing more videos and we'll dive together into the world of deep tech in biology.